Hey guys, welcome to Influencing Artists. Did you know that not all paintings require a frame? So how do you hang it on the wall? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to wire a canvas for hanging. All this and more coming right up.
That's good.
All right, so here are some materials that you're going to need in order to wire your canvas for hanging. Here we have a hammer. Of course, you're going to need a hammer. We have these little fasteners here. I got these on Amazon.com. They're pretty cheap. It comes with a huge box of them, and you'll need to use 2. You're also going to need a pencil, a ruler, a pair of scissors, or a pair of wire cutters, whichever one you have handy. And you're also going to need a pair of pliers, like I have here. All these items will absolutely help you. You're also going to absolutely need some wire, and this is the kind of wire that I used for my painting here. When you purchase your wire, be sure to pay close attention to the upper right-hand corner. Mine is 20 pounds. It will hold up to a 20-pound painting. Mine is much less than that. Better safe than sorry. First thing you need to do is measure about 1/3 of the way down the painting. So I find that that's about 8.5 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that there so I can see it when I come back and I draw a line all the way across. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. All right, now you can go ahead and grab one of your fasteners and you can place that fastener right there in the center of the line that you made. And then you can hammer that in there just enough so that you can start screwing it into the actual frame. So I like to use my fingers here because it's easier for me, but if needle nose pliers are easier for you, then go ahead and do that. Then you can go ahead and do it on the other side. And that's what it will look like once it's screwed in. Next, you're going to thread your wire through the little hole of the fastener there, and then tightly wind it around. And you want to give yourself several inches to just kind of do this to give it extra support. If the painting is hanging on the wall for a very long time, you know, it could loosen up a little bit. So just to be safe, I like to use extra wire. Next, you can go ahead and drag your wire to the other side of your canvas. And you can do the same thing on the other side, but be sure that it's going to be taut enough. You want to make sure it's right about there. You don't want it above the painting when you're actually hanging it, so be sure to pull it extra tight. Once you have the wire as tight as you would like it, measure that out, cut it to size, and then go ahead and get it exactly where you want it there and tie it super duper tight. All right, and that's it. Now be sure to check your painting to make sure that it is hanging at the right level. And remember, if you have a canvas like mine, be sure to hang it with probably 2 nails on either side of that bar in the middle there, just so it doesn't hang strangely on the wall. But yeah, now it's ready for selling. Now be sure to go check out my painting for yourself at Common Grounds. It's on Elam Avenue in Greensboro, North Carolina. It is now in his permanent collection. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video at all, please go ahead and hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe if you like watching videos about artists, art techniques, and art business. Remember to stay peaceful, as a calm mind is a creative mind. Now go get inspired, be an influence, and make something beautiful today. Peace.